everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Anne. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell for the next tutorials coming up soon. Okay, so today we're going to do this really cute crown braid. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to part her hair down the centre. Just a rough part, doesn't need to be perfect. Just so I can just pull the hair and I can just see what I'm doing a lot more clearly now. I am going to just go off centre slightly, like that. But put that bit over to that side. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to take a slice of hair from this point and I'm going to come down really, like a really narrow little segment, just like that. Okay. Now I've got a very small little piece of hair coming from there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this into 3 pieces. And now I'm going to do a Dutch braid. So if you're not sure how to do a Dutch braid, if you just click over there, there'll be a link to the tutorial and I'll also put a link in the description box below. But basically for a Dutch braid, you have 3 pieces. You have the outside strands going under the centre strand. So this one will go under the centre strand. Then the next one will go under the new centre strand and you just keep repeating that, adding hair each time. So I'm going to take this strand under the centre strand and I'm going to take this strand under the new centre strand. So there is my first stitch complete. I'm just going to walk my fingers back over because then I can come back over here now and I need to add hair to this outside strand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just scoop up a small amount of hair from the outside. I'm going to drop in that outside part, join them together, and then the 2 pieces together will now become one. They're both going to go under that centre strand. And now I need to add hair to this strand. So I'm going to come from the top, slide down a very slim little segment, put them together as one, and I'm going to take them both under that centre strand, give it a little sort of tug just to make it tight, and then walk my hands back over, and now this hand is ready to take the next section. So I'm going to take the next section of hair just combing from the outside, going up, dropping in that outside strand. I'm going to take these 2 pieces together and take them under that centre strand. And now I'm back to adding on this side now. So I'm going to add to this side. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to take a very small segment, very thin segment, sorry. Make sure I'm picking it up all the way down to where the braids are stitching. And then take those 2 pieces, putting them together and taking them under that centre strand. So hopefully if you know how to do a Dutch braid, you will be able to do this no problem. If you're not sure how to do a Dutch braid at the moment, first of all, go and learn how to do the Dutch braid, and then you'll be able to crack on with this. Okay, so we're going to be braiding now then all the way around the head. So I'm just going to turn you around, pop it. I'm going to come back to here. I'm going to keep braiding all the way around. Now I've done a couple of stitches, I'm just going to come back and I'm just going to tease on these stitches slightly to make them a little bit more full and give them a bit more shape. So if we go every couple of stitches and then do a little bit of pulling, that will help. So I'm just going to come here, add some more hair. Take them both under. I'm going to take this one with a comb, so I'm starting to get a few lumps and bumps. Let's make it a bit neater. Okay, so I'm going to put my fingers in here. Tuck the braid through. Okay, so with this bit here now, I'm just going to pop it underneath. Just get the pin, just tuck it in behind. Okay, so here is the final spin. I think it's a really cute little crown braid. If you can Dutch braid, then it's going to be really simple for you. But if you can't, my friend Beth has got a really similar one where she's using elastic. So I'll put a link to that in the description below. Okay, so until next time, take great care and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.